Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you what is the sort warning message and what is the meaning of it and how we can avoid it or be careful on that sort warning message. Okay, so now you go and see the data. What I have here is the product data and each product, what is the customer and their respective sales in every quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort it. Okay, before sorting it, what I am going to do, if you sort it for all the columns, then it will pop up with the sorting. Okay, so it won't be a problem. It is like our usual sorting. Okay, because Excel knows that you are selecting all the columns, then there won't be any problem. Okay, if you select only a particular column or few columns, a part of selection, then if you try to sort it, then it will come up with a sort warning message. Okay, what we will read the sort warning message. Microsoft Excel found data next to your selection. Okay, there are data, the other data is also remaining next to your selection, which is customer quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4 data. Okay, since you have not selected this data, this data, only you selected the product, it will not be sorted. This other data will not be sorted, only the product column will be sorted. So what do you want to do? Expand the selection. You want, oh, I have selected wrongly, and you want to expand and select all the data together. This is what our usual action. That's why they put it as a default action here. Expand this selection. You want to expand this selection or continue with the current selection, or you were doing purposefully and you want to sort it with only the current selection, then you can do it. Okay, what will happen if you expand this selection? Then it automatically expands all the columns, includes all the columns in sorting. Then it is very fine. It is like our usual sorting. Okay, but if you go for sort and you go for continue with the current selection, what happens? Microsoft Excel is going to sort only this product column. Okay, before we go, we will understand these three products. We just make it some color. Okay, so this data, Camembert, Pirate, Arctic product and Arctic customer, the sales in quarter 3 is quarter 1020, and Philomix is quarter 3 raised $35. Okay, so now you can see that this is the data attached to these three products. Okay, now if we select a part, what is happening? Go to the data, sort, continue with the current selection only. Yes, I am doing it purposefully. Then sort, it comes with the product. Okay, yes, I am sorting with the product, but you cannot see the other columns because you selected only the product column. Okay, continue with the product. What happens? You press OK, is sorted only the product. Alice Mutton comes for all these three records, and it says that Alice Mutton's for Arctic customer quarter 3 is $1020 sales. That is absolutely wrong. So if you select a part of columns and you do the sorting, what happens? The report data is corrupted, or in other words, it is mingled together, and the total report is totally wrong. Okay, unless you are doing this for a particular purpose, to do temporarily for some sorting, it is fine. Other than that, you need to include all the columns into your sorting. Okay, I know many times in the reports people used to sort it only a partial data, and they come up with very wrong figures for the annual reporting and the quarterly reportings. Okay, so you must be very careful. That is why this functionality is there, always warning you, oh, sort warning, and you want to expand the selection. And most of the cases you want to expand the selection, you cannot just leave the other part of the data without sorting. Whenever you sort something one column, you must also sort the remaining columns according to that, so that the data attached to each record will be proper. Okay, so I just revert back here. Now you see the thing, you can expand, okay, and sort it. Okay, now I hope you understood what is the expanded selection sorting and only the selections sorting warning message. Okay, I hope you like my video, and please subscribe to my channel. It will help me as an encouragement to upload more videos like this for to help others, and to help myself to understand and more things in Excel. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel, and also leave your comments. Okay, and God bless you.